Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need spreadsheets with 50 tabs or some perfect income to get started. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple savings plan that actually works, and more importantly, that you'll stick to. First, choose one clear savings goal, not 5, not 10. Just one. It could be an emergency fund, paying for a trip, or building a small financial cushion. A focused goal keeps your plan simple and motivating. Next, decide the exact amount you want to save. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save more, choose a number. Clear numbers create clear direction. Now break that total into smaller pieces. If your goal feels big, divide it into monthly or weekly targets. Smaller milestones make progress feel manageable and honestly more motivating. Here's where most people go wrong. They save whatever is left at the end of the month. Instead, pay yourself first. The moment income comes in, move your savings portion immediately. Keep your savings separate from your spending money. If possible, use a different account or even a labeled envelope. Separation reduces temptation and makes your progress visible. At the end of each month, review your progress. Did you hit your target? If not, adjust slightly. But don't quit. A plan that adapts is better than a perfect plan that fails. If you can, automate your savings. Automatic transfers remove emotion and inconsistency. You won't have to rely on motivation. The system will handle it. A simple savings plan works because it's clear, realistic, and consistent. One goal, one number, small steps, and steady action. Start today, even with a small amount, and build from there.